comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. So hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.
Hey play cousin, welcome back. And as you guys can tell from the title and the thumbnail what this video is about, this has been a highly requested video. I created this dresser like months ago. I probably filmed this back in July, and so I'm pretty much making over this wooden dresser that was given to me by my daughter's grandmother on her dad's side, and I just pretty much made it my own. I'm starting off by wiping it down, of course, with like a wood cleaner, because you want to make sure that the surfaces are really clean. And then I just go in to take off all the knobs. I didn't take anything out the drawers, but that would make everything easier, is if you guys take out whatever you have in your drawers out, just to take the knobs off. And then when you take the knobs off, you make sure that you spray paint them silver. Also, let them dry. Let it dry first, and then you can flip it over and then spray paint the other side. Because as you can see, what dude was doing is that he was trying to flip it over and keep spray painting it, but don't do that, just wait. And you can use, like, honestly, you can use whatever colors you want it, but my theme for my room has been white, silver, and gray. Once you're done spray painting it, set it aside so that you can start priming. I also got these crystal knobs from Walmart. I got them in 3 sets only because I wasn't going to put them on every single drawer. Now, this is the primer that I used. I got it on clearance for like $5, if that. And I just put like 3 layers of this on it, and it's going to look very, very gray. But like I said, put 3 layers on it, and bada boom, bada bam. Let it dry a little bit, and then begin painting. So this is what it looks like from different lighting, and you can see that it appears to be very, very gray. I'm still working on the first layer, but this was so time consuming, like you don't even understand, but it came out so nice. And so I'm just going to show you what it looks like per layer. And the guy who's helping me, he's a clown, so that's the reason why he's being edited out. So as you can see, this is what it looks like after the first layer, and now I'm going into the second layer. So this here is the paint that I ended up using, which is actually door trim, but it was on clearance, and so that's why I got it, especially because it gave like a glossy white finish. So yeah, don't sleep on Walmart when it comes to that. Now I'm pretty much going into my first layer of the white paint. I want to say that I used 3 or 4 layers total of the white paint, and I still have some more left over, and it's been months now. But you can put on as many layers as you feel most comfortable with, but I wanted mine to be extremely opaque. So yeah, that's pretty much, I put like 3 or 4 layers. That made me feel the most comfortable, and it was taking forever to dry. To be honest, I think I only ended up doing like 3 layers, but now I'm putting the handles back on it, and as you can see, like the top drawers in that middle section has the crystal knobs on it, because I think it was 6 crystal knobs total. And so yeah, I feel like it's coming out nice even right now, and that's pretty much all I did as far as like the painting goes, and as far as the knobs are concerned. So I pretty much got these foam sheets from Walmart again. It was like 98 cents in the arts and crafts section. And I wanted like some type of glitter or glam, some type of glitz theme to my room, to make something sparkly, to make something shine. So I'm using those little foam boards. I'm using some super glue to glue them, like, you know, in that middle section of the dresser, as well as like in between the drawers, each, you know, like the part that's still primed. I didn't paint that part, so the part that you can see that's still gray, I went in with those little foam glitter sheets just to fill everything in and make it, you know, come together, make this dresser come alive. Gluing down this foam was extremely tedious, but in the end it came out absolutely beautiful. And so this is the end result before I added my TV and everything back to the dresser, and it just looks so bomb. Like, and now I have LED lights attached to it, so it just looks dope. That was pretty much it for this video. I didn't have to sand anything down. It's easier than it seems, so you could easily do a DIY project at your own house. This is also how the dresser looks before I added the LED lights. It's completely optional. If you don't want the LED lights, then don't add them. Now, for those of you who are interested in the LED lights, I got these from like Dee-Dee's discount store. I don't know, it's just like a really cheap store. These LED lights was like $6.99. I glued the lights onto the dresser because at first they weren't sticking all the way, and then it's plugged into my TV, so whenever I turn my TV on, I can turn, like, my LED lights will automatically come on, or I can just turn it off myself. And but either way it goes, like, I just feel like it gives a nice little touch to the room. It was very, very inexpensive. This took a few days to do, which is why you guys haven't been getting a Vlogmas video. But I finally have this video recorded, and I just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and enter the giveaway.